Do you know that while most people are chasing stocks, mutual funds, and government bonds, there is another gold mine in Nigeria that many are ignoring? And guess what? It is right above our heads every single day. That is the sun. Solar energy is not just giving light, it is actually creating one of the fastest growing investment opportunities in Nigeria. Imagine this, earning 20% to 30% every year, not from Wall Street, not from the capital market, but from solving Nigeria's biggest problem, which is electricity. This is the new gold rush, and smart investors are already taking their shares. Hello and welcome to Money Mindset with Ima. My name is Immaculata. I am a certified financial advisor. And today I'm going to show you how you can invest in solar energy and enjoy steady high returns and at the same time make a real difference in the lives of Nigerians. First, let's talk about the problem. Nigeria's electricity supply is one of our biggest challenges. Millions of families and businesses cannot rely on power from the grid. Generators are expensive, fuel prices keep going up. This is where solar comes in. It is cheaper in the long run, it is cleaner, and it is in massive demand. Then second, let's talk about the opportunity. So now, here is the part investors love so much. Because demand is high and supply is still catching up, investors like you can earn between 20 to 30% annually. These are not just numbers on paper. These are real profits. Investors are smiling to the bank every quarter. Why it is attractive? What makes solar different from other investments? Number one, it is steady. People will always need electricity. Then number two, it is impactful. You are not just making money, you are providing light to homes, you are powering small businesses, and you are helping Nigeria to grow. Unlike the stock market that goes up and down, the need for power never crashes. That is why solar is one of the smartest investments today. So let me ask you, what are you waiting for, my brother and my sister? Every day you delay, you miss out on profits, and you miss out on a chance to make a real difference. Solar is the future, and the best time to invest is now. If you are ready to take the next step, watch my next video. I will break down exactly how you can start, whether you are investing big or starting small. And here is my final word for you. Money sitting idle loses value, but money put in the right opportunity grows and creates impact. Don't just save, invest wisely, and solar is one of the smartest ways to do it today. Before you go, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, drop your thoughts on or questions in the comments. I love hearing from you. And please, don't forget to share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. And most importantly, subscribe to this channel and also hit the notification bell so you will never miss my next video on smart ways to grow your money. Let's build wealth and make impact together. Thank you. Bye.